Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn something exciting in PictoBlox, how to draw shapes using code. Instead of drawing with our hands, we will use a sprite like a digital pencil and give it instructions to draw for us. We'll begin by drawing a square. Open PictoBlox and create a new file. Make sure block coding mode is selected. Now, let's prepare our stage. Click on Choose Backdrop and select the XY grid backdrop. This helps us clearly see where our shape is being drawn. Next, go to the Sprite library and choose the pencil sprite. Since we only need the pencil for this activity, delete Toby from the stage. Now, our pencil becomes our drawing tool. To allow the pencil to draw, we need to add the pen extension. Click on Add Extension and select Pen. You will now see new pen blocks appear. Let's start building our script. First, add the When Space Key Pressed block. This tells the project when to begin drawing. Next, add the Erase All block. This clears any previous drawings, so our stage starts clean every time. Now, add the Pen Down block. This tells the pencil to begin drawing whenever it moves. Next, add a Repeat block and change the value to 4. Why 4? Because a square has 4 equal sides. Inside the Repeat block, add Move 100 steps. This draws one side of the square. Add a Wait 0.25 seconds block. This allows us to clearly watch the drawing happen. Now, add Turn clockwise 90 degrees. A square has 90-degree corners, so the pencil must turn exactly 90 degrees after each side. Now the script is complete. Press the space key. Watch carefully. The pencil moves one side, two sides, three sides, and 4 sides. Excellent! Your square is complete. Now let's create another shape using the same project. Instead of starting over, we will duplicate our square project and turn it into a triangle. Save the new file as Drawing Triangle. Now, we only change 2 things. First, change the repeat value from 4 to 3. Why? Because a triangle has 3 sides. Next, change the turning angle from 90 degrees to 120 degrees. This is because an equilateral triangle needs an outside angle of 120 degrees to close properly. Everything else stays the same. Now press the D key. Watch the pencil again. One side, 2 sides, 3 sides. Amazing! Your triangle is complete. Now compare both shapes. For the square, we repeated 4 times and turned 90 degrees. For the triangle, we repeated 3 times and turned 120 degrees. This shows us something very important in coding. Small changes in values can create completely different results. Before we finish, here is your challenge. Try drawing a pentagon. Think carefully. How many sides does it have? And what angle will you need? Experiment and discover the answer. Great work today. You've learned how to use the pen extension, how repeat blocks simplify coding, and how angles help us create shapes. See you in the next lesson.